Roadie has resumed their partnership with Walmart for the surge over the Black Friday sales coming over the next 3 weeks. So if you were a Roadie delivery for Walmart and then Spark took over in your market and you haven't done any Roadie lately, get back on, take a look. Hey everybody, how you doing? Dashin Dave here again. Please click that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you very much. All right, Tuesday, November 8th, 2022, in Speedwagon, the big guy today. And just filled him up, 78 bucks. We're at $3.30 a gallon here in central Iowa. It could be better, but it's been worse. So, you know, it is what it is. Okay, so I just started up the Doordash app and then immediately paused it, where I'm on my Spark app right now. So I have to tap in the upper right hand corner. By the way, I watched a beginner tutorial from Right Along with Bree, pretty good. Basically, the Spark app works really close to what the Roadie app did as far as the procedures, scanning the tags, taking the pictures, yada, yada, yada. So I don't anticipate any real surprises here with Spark. So tap Spark now. Spark now will be turned on and you receive offers until now. Looking at this screenshot here, it kind of tells you when the busy times are. So I'm going to Spark until 9:30. That's the only time. Well, I guess I could go further. We'll go till 9:30 and we'll see what happens. Turn on. One new offer. Okay. Here it is. 1409 deals pickup at 8:45. 3 orders, 11.5 miles. Deliver by 9:12. I'll get a screenshot of that. 3 orders, 11.5 miles, 14 bucks. We're not going to take that one. Okay, here's another one. 1 order, 3.2 miles, $11.51. 40 to 50 pound item, 1 order. Okay, so we don't get to see what it is. So I'm going to go ahead. Okay, they give you about 1:45. Let me tap on something. I think I just accept. No, I have not accepted it. Okay. Okay, so we're going to Coolidge. 1 item, 1 unit. Tap on that. It's a TV. That's what we got Speedwagon for. Okay, down to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Pickup from deal area, Ames, Walmart, South Duff. That's the one that's right next to me. Going up north, it's $11.51 for 2 miles, or 3 miles maybe, 3.2 miles. So we'll go ahead and accept that one. Extra large order. You've accepted an offer containing 1 or more XL items. Check the order. We got the right vehicle. Okay. All offers were accepted or have expired. Try again later. I'm not seeing anything. All offers were accepted or have expired. I heard the little ding, you did too, and that was saying, hey, you've got an offer. We were down to 1 minute 15. I clicked accept, and then bang. So I'm okay. Home. Will it? Had to tap home. There it is. Now, that should have popped up immediately. Start trip. Please park in the deals area marked with sign. Different than usual curbside area. An associate will bring out the order. Blah, blah, blah. Scan. Got it. Order status is ready. Pickup time is 8:45 a.m. But it says order status is ready. Same thing that we had earlier. Park in the deals area. Okay, so we'll have to find the deals area. Okay, cool. Well, that was a good learning point right there. I tapped on accept and it brought me back to this screen and it said no pending offers or trips. I hit home and there it was. So that doesn't make sense, but okay. All right, just pulled out of the Sam's Club parking lot, heading to Walmart here, and a notification popped up. Starting to spark incentive for a newbie here from 11/5, which was a couple days ago, to Friday 11/18. Boy, that's next Friday. Complete 3 trips to earn an extra $50. We got that, easy peasy. Complete 10 trips for an additional $60. Complete 20 for another 100 for a total of $210. That one probably not going to happen, 20 trips, but should be able to get the 3 trips in between now and next Friday, no problem. I mean, wow. So that's cool. All right. And I saw this on right along with Bree when she was talking about incentives, yada, yada, yada. Unlike Doordash, where you have a double or a stack, each one of those is considered a delivery. Here, batched orders are considered 1 trip. So you pick up 3 orders delivered to 3 different customers. That's 1 trip according to Spark. Whereas on DoorDash and Uber Eats, each individual customer is considered a trip. So in this case, you want to do singles to get the best bang for the buck, if you will. So anyway, okay, so an extra $50 from 3 trips, 10 trips, an additional 60 for 110 total. 10 trips between now and next Friday. That's doable. That's possible. That's possible. Okay, so I found the parking. They've moved everything to the other side of the building from the last time that I was here with Rodeo. But this is terrible. They were on the south side. Now they're on the north side, wintertime. So Black Friday deals. I'm in spot number 52. They do have a separate section for grocery pickup. I wasn't sure if I put in the right number, 19 and 52. Awesome. Do you see most of them? All right. Those two said, we've got a lot of these TVs going out. And I said, so how many people do you see have a rig the size of mine? And they go, none. He goes, you'll probably be getting a lot of orders. And I said, well, I've got the truck set, in my settings. So they know that I've got this capacity, cargo capacity or whatever. All right, so 55-inch screen TV. Off we go. Good start, good start. Okay, I'll get a picture of the TV here. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro when we loaded it, but it has a couple of those nylon packing straps around it, and those make good handles, as long as they're well put together. But something that in the former production life that I had, and then I used them in a UPS. You can usually find them in hardware stores, sometimes even grocery stores. These gloves that have these little rubber nibs on them. These things, your hands become magnets to especially cardboard, or grabbing onto those packing straps, which could cut you like a razor knife. But anyway, these things are worth their weight in gold. Okay, that was quick and easy. Just followed the prompts on the app. Your deliveries here, text message, he was waiting at the door, hand off, scan, take a picture, yada yada. Perfect. Okay, so now we have 1 order, 40 to 50 pounds, 13, 14, 6.2 miles. Then we have a $40.50 order, which is 5 orders, 34 miles. We are going to take another TV. Hell yeah. 13, 14, accept. Nothing there again. Home. There it is. That should be automatic, okay? Okay. Much like Roadie, and yes, this is what I remember now from watching a couple of the videos. They have up to an hour to adjust the tip, yada yada, just like Uber Eats and all that, I believe. So they can adjust the tips. I think that for the most part, the 13, 14 that I was seeing on this TV delivery is what it's going to pay. However, it's only showing 10, 14 right now. Okay, so right. South Duff, back to where we were. Hey, I'll do this all day long. I will. If I can do this until 10 for the next hour and a half, I'll do it. at $8 and $10 a crack delivering TVs. And this one here at 6.2 miles, that's because I was up there. So apparently it's going to go in roughly the same direction, I'm going to guess. Too bad they couldn't package these things together. Of course, that one that was 40 with 5 trips, that could have, I don't know, that one could have been 5 TVs. Hard to say. I'm just going to do simple one job trips right now. Get my legs underneath me with Spark. Okay, just opened up and refreshed the Roadie app, and they are doing deals with Walmart here. And I didn't get a notification sound. I've got notifications checked, but I've learned on Roadie sometimes it goes off and sometimes it doesn't. So anyway, there is a offer on Roadie from Walmart, $20. 2 items. I don't know if it's 2 orders, but it's 2 items. One of them is 72 inches long, extra large gig. It is paying $22. And let's see, we pick up 2 items, 58 pounds, 1 address. Okay, so it's not 2 orders, it's 2 items over to Nevada there. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this Spark order, and we'll see where we're at. We'll see if that's still there. $22, that's $1 a mile both over and back. And so we'll just see how this goes. All right. Yep, same exact TV. Heading all the way across town here. I think, okay, just double checked on that big order for Roadie to Nevada from Walmart. They've thrown another like $3 on it. But as I've been driving across town here thinking, when I get this TV dropped off, granted I won't be at a Walmart, I'm on the west end, I'd have to drive back, but I'm already going to be at $24.88 for the hour with those 2 TV deliveries. And the first one was kind of slow. I'll be picking up the pace a little bit. So right now, the heavy one to Nevada through Roadie is only going to pay about that same rate. And I'll be out of the area for almost an hour, and the mileage, yada, yada, yada. And I don't know if a 72-inch bookcase or entertainment center packaged up will fit in Speedwagon. And so we'll just keep an eye on that, but I don't think I'm going to take that one, because I guarantee it'll be on the 3rd floor of an apartment building somewhere. The one apartment building in Nevada with 3 floors carrying a 70-pound entertainment center up the stairs. So I think we'll just kind of let that one slide unless it gets to be really good. But yeah, so far nobody's taking it. All right, second TV successfully dropped off. Nothing's popped up immediately here. Of course, I'm way away from either of the Walmarts, so we'll get back over to the east side real quick. And just a refresher, if you don't know, there's a Walmart up in North Ames at North Grand Mall, and then the Walmart down in South Ames. They're only separated by about maybe 3.5 miles, and Lincoln Way Center's like kind of in the middle. So that's where I used to sit waiting for Roadie jobs. So speaking of Roadie, let's take a look at that one again. Yep, still at $23. So yeah, the interface on Spark is almost identical to what I recall on Roadie, scanning the tags, taking the pictures. The difference appears, for the most part, on Spark here is when you are dropping it off, you didn't meet anybody. I've met my 2 customers so far, and but there's a drop-down menu with radio button selections, at door, in carport, yada yada yada. That's real nice, so you don't have to type that shit out. And but it seems to be pretty quick on the scans, pretty quick on the pictures and uploading them and everything. So yeah, if you've done one or the other, you can do the other. So if you've done Roadie, never done Spark, you can do Spark. If you've done Spark and never done Roadie, interface is just about the same. All right, so I was able to make my way all the way across town, stopped off at Panera, got a coffee. I have not turned on Uber. I have not turned on Doordash. I need to check Doordash. Where are we at on the timer? 3 minutes and 29 seconds, resume dash, and then pause orders. So that's the 4th pause. I still have a 35-minute clock. Tony's not punishing me yet. Okay, but the thing is I am top dasher this month because of my numbers. So if I miss one of these 35-minute clocks on a TV run, that at least I'll be able to dash now at will. That's the one benefit, to really being a top dasher in this case. So we'll just keep resetting the 35-minute clock over and over again. Haven't had any offers from Spark since that last TV drop-off. I'm going until 10. Remember, 3 completed orders, $50 bonus. So it's 9:15. I'm sparking until 10. I'm going to sit here until 10. If I can pick up one more order that I can complete, then that's a $50 bonus. Okay, so yeah, absolutely. And then 10 between now and next Friday. I keep saying next Friday. The 18th is next Friday, so yes. 10 trips completed will be a total of $110. 20 would be $210. I don't think we'll be able to get 20 in, but you never know. Okay, there we go. It's a double. It's a deals. It's a Black Friday. It said that right on there. 2 drop-offs. It's a crock pot to somebody, a 6-in-1 crock pot, and then another 55-inch TV. The crock pot's going up just a mile or so north of where I'm at, and then the TV's going an additional mile, maybe 2 up north again. So cool. All right, so there's trip 3 and 4. That should get me my $50 bonus and 1 trip towards the $110 bonus for the 10 trips by next Friday. So we need 9 more trips by next Friday to qualify for a $110 bonus. All right, so I misspoke earlier when I was counting out how many jobs. You all probably caught that. But on Spark here, multiple order is considered 1 trip, so it's 1 trip. So I've only completed 3 trips, 4 orders, 3 trips. But that 3 trips still qualifies me for that $50 bonus. $38 in a 2-hour period. It's right at 10 o'clock. I've got a few minutes left here on my Doordash timer. It just showed me that I had an offer, but I don't see it. Okay, so anyway, gonna get back down to the Duff Zone here. We're gonna fire up Doordash from 10 to noon at least. 10 to noon was a slow period according to what they showed on the Spark app for delivery times. I'll still keep it going and see what pops up, and probably have to decline a bunch of them because I don't want to miss a cater just in case. And highly unlikely, but So anyway, $38 for the first 2 hours, $19 an hour delivering 3 TVs in a crock pot with 15 minutes of downtime. We're looking at 20 miles, so damn near $2 a mile, and that's pretty good. So all right, we'll get back into the food delivery. There's my first 3 Walmart Spark trips for 4 customers, 4 deliveries. Made an extra $50. I'm glad I got on. All right, guys and gals, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you can take something from this video and put it to use for yourself. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and hope to see you next time.